Okay, we got the plumbing all the way to the sink area. They're gonna keep extending to the shower on that side. I'm waiting for the shower pan to come in. So that's the drain line. Comes in through there. Comes in through there. It goes down to the base, down to the floor. Then it comes out. It's gonna come out to the bottom of the truck. It comes out of the truck. Oh, got my finger in the way. It comes out through here. And then it goes across to that side. And then it goes in the tank. So that there is the, goes through the ceiling. That's how we got it in. Go through the ceiling, go across through there, and down. All right, now we're gonna hook up the fresh water.
Is topping the nooks and crannies perfection with fruit, jam, or avocado. But for me,